Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.
This is an automatic intelligent food maker. It consists of 4 parts: main body, stirring cup, water tank, and a scraper. The stirring cup is made from 5 mm thick boron glass, which is resistant to high temperatures and high pressure. The 5 mm boron glass will not be stained with food coloring. The stirring cup is well sealed so it can prevent food from overflowing and produce micropressure. Such micropressure design is easier to crumble. The blades are integrated and detachable, which is convenient for assembly and cleaning. There are 2-way 4-leaf stainless steel blades, 2 pieces for cutting and 2 pieces for crushing to cut the food more delicately. Usual blade has a rubber band and it's quite difficult to clean, and it's so easy to grow bacterial. The blades can snap automatically, so you can be ensured not to spin out. The bottom of the mixing cup is an integrated design which prevents from mold. Different from normal food maker, Bololo water tank can be taken out and cleaned separately. The large diameter water tank is very easy to clean. Bololo food maker has 6 automatic modes to choose. They are vegetables, fruits, fish, meat, grains, rice paste. Turn the button on to select the mode. Press the start button. The food maker will start operate automatically. You just need 2 steps to make delicious food. Let's make mashed potato. Take out the water tank, add the water to the let.s. Wipe water stains around the water tank. Align the buckle, wash food and cut into pieces. Put the blade into the blender and then put the food into the blender. Close the lid and rotate the stirring cup to align with the steam hole. Rotate 2 vegetables and click to start. No need for secondary operations. The delicious mashed potato is finished. When cleaning, we just remove the blade and clean the stirring cup and blade separately. Remove the water tank for cleaning. If you want to make food with special taste, you could also use the DIY function. The following buttons represent 4 major functions: steam, blend, disinfect. You can select the steam or blend function. Press multiple times to choose a suitable time. Press the start button. The steam or blend function will start automatically. Of course, you can also use the sterilize mode. Put the baby items in the glass blender so they can get sterilized. Bololo food maker has multiple protection functions. If there is no water in the water tank, the signal of no water will be displayed. If the blender cup is not aligned with the steam hole, the food maker will not work. There is higher safety performance by overheat protection of the motor.